Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Ready to light up your adventures like never before? Meet the Outcast Telescopic Lantern, your ultimate companion for exploring the darkest of nights. Imagine extending a powerful light source up to 1 meter tall, illuminating a vast area around you. Then with a simple twist, telescope it down into a compact handheld flashlight. The Outcast does just that, combining versatility and power in one sleek portable design. This ingenious lantern can be used in 3 different forms: the tallest, the expanded, and the folded. Extend its pole, slide it into your backpack's side pocket, and you've got a moving street lamp that follows you wherever you go. With its magnetic base, Outcast securely attaches to most ferrous surfaces, whether it's the roof or side of your car, or even the hull of a boat. Just click it open and you've got powerful spatial lighting in seconds. What's more, the lamp head rotates a full 360 degrees horizontally and flips vertically, giving you a stunning 720 degrees of 3-dimensional lighting. Need extra stability? The tripod feet come with fixing holes, so you can anchor it securely in place, even on slopes or in strong winds. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, Outcast features a rugged aviation aluminum alloy frame and an IPX6 waterproof rating, making it impervious to heavy rain and rough handling. Plus, night vision polymer stickers help you spot it easily in the dark, preventing accidents before they happen. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a reliable light source on the go, the Outcast Telescopic Lantern is your perfect partner for any nighttime adventure. Light up your world with ease and confidence. Ready to elevate your typing game? Meet the AM-RGB65, a mechanical keyboard that combines retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Inspired by the iconic Game Boy, the AM-RGB65 brings back those nostalgic vibes with a twist. The standout feature? A prominent LED screen where you can showcase your own custom animations. Whether it's a favorite character or a cool graphic, make your keyboard truly yours. But it's not just about looks. This keyboard is designed for an exceptional typing experience. The 3-stage adjustable leaf spring mount allows you to customize the feel to your liking with up to 18 different combos. Plus, the tailored internals ensure a satisfying typing sound and feel every time. The AM-RGB65 is more than just a keyboard, it's a piece of art. It blends the advanced craftsmanship of today with the timeless design of the 1980s. From its curved corners inspired by the Game Boy speaker, to the pixel art style antenna window and Type-C port that mimics a D-pad, every detail is a nod to the past. And when it comes to lighting, the AM-RGB65 doesn't disappoint. With 200 high-end LEDs on the panel, 71 in-switch LEDs, and an independent lighting controller, your keyboard will light up like never before. Customize the leaf spring levels, choose between stainless steel or phosphorus copper, and fine-tune the feel with 1mm Poron foam pads for the ultimate typing experience. Ready to type in style? The AM-RGB65 is here to make every keystroke a masterpiece. Whether you're coding, gaming, or just typing away, this keyboard is your perfect partner in creativity. Say hello to the Capsule Solo, the world's smallest, fastest, and most efficient dishwasher. No plumbing needed, just plug it in and you're ready to go. Imagine your dishes sparkling clean in just 15 minutes. The Capsule Solo is revolutionizing kitchen cleanup with its rapid wash program. Fresh stains? No problem. Capsule Solo handles it all in record time, saving you both water and energy. And don't be fooled by its compact size. Capsule Solo can fit large kitchenware with ease. Perfect for those in apartments, RVs, boats, or any space-conscious home. With just 2.6 liters of water and 0.17 kilowatt-hour per cycle. It's the eco-friendly choice for the modern household. The press is buzzing about the Capsule Solo. From its stainless steel tub that outlasts plastic to its impressive water-saving design, it's clear why this innovative dishwasher is winning hearts and becoming a must-have. Engineered from the ground up, Capsule Solo is not just fast, it's smart. With improved software, faster water loading, and better drying performance, it's designed to make your life easier. And at our most affordable price yet, there's never been a better time to upgrade your kitchen. Place it right on your countertop, no bending down required. Capsule Solo is the perfect blend of convenience, speed, and sustainability. Why wash dishes by hand when you can do it faster, easier, and greener with Capsule Solo? Meet the future of food storage, the all-new Samsung Bespoke Refrigerator. It's not just a fridge, it's a smart home hub that keeps your food fresher and your life easier. The biggest upgrade, the AI Family Hub Plus and AI Vision Inside, taking your kitchen experience to the next level. The AI Family Hub Plus features a massive 32-inch display, the largest in the industry, right on the front of your fridge. Share pictures, stream your favorite shows, manage your calendar, and even see who's at the front door, all from your refrigerator. That's just the beginning. With AI Vision Inside, the Samsung Bespoke Refrigerator is smarter than ever. A smart camera inside the fridge scans, recognizes, and categorizes up to 33 types of food. No more guessing what's in stock or letting food go to waste. Check your inventory anytime, anywhere through the SmartThings app or directly on the Family Hub Plus screen. And that's not all. AI Vision Inside sends alerts before your food expires, ensuring everything stays as fresh as possible. Plus, with the Samsung Food app, you can tailor recipes and fridge performance to your dietary needs. Thirsty, the beverage-centered trademark, offers 2 convenient ways to enjoy a cold drink. Choose between the internal water dispenser or the autofill water pitcher, which automatically refills and even infuses your water with flavor. Love your ice? The dual auto ice maker produces both cubed ice and ice bites, perfect for any occasion. With the Samsung Bespoke Refrigerator, your kitchen is smarter, fresher, and more fun than ever. In today's fast-paced world, security and convenience are more important than ever. Meet the Corin HubPack 33, your ultimate solution for worry-free travel and daily commutes. This backpack is packed with state-of-the-art locking mechanisms that keep your belongings safe and secure, even in the busiest environments. Whether you're commuting or exploring new cities, the HubPack 33 has your back, literally. Worried about electronic pickpocketing? The HubPack 33 has you covered with built-in RFID blocking technology, protecting your credit cards, passports, and other sensitive items from unauthorized scans. Crafted from premium materials and reinforced with top-notch stitching, this backpack isn't just tough, it's built to last. Plus, its water-resistant exterior keeps your essentials dry no matter the weather. Comfort is key, and the HubPack 33 delivers with ergonomically designed shoulder straps and padded back panels, perfect for all-day wear. You'll hardly notice you're wearing it, but you'll definitely appreciate the difference. Featuring lockable zippers, hidden compartments, and anti-cut materials, this backpack provides multiple layers of protection, giving you the confidence to go anywhere without a second thought. And let's not forget about style. The Corin HubPack 33 comes in a range of chic colors to suit your personal taste, making it the perfect blend of form and function. Stay organized, stay secure, and stay stylish with the Corin HubPack 33, the smart backpack for the modern world. Meet your new roadside hero, the Far-Reach A1. This all-in-one car rescue tool is your ultimate companion for any emergency on the road. Flat tire, dead battery, no problem. The Far-Reach A1 packs a super fast tire inflator, instant jump starter, and LED light into one ultra-compact device that's easy to use and fits right in your glove box. Inflate flat tires in no time at 32 liters per minute. 3x faster than traditional inflators. And with a digital screen that monitors real-time pressure, you're always in control. Need a jump start? The Far-Reach A1 gets you back on the road in 3 easy steps. It's powerful enough to start any 12V vehicle effortlessly, even in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Snowstorm or heat wave, the Far-Reach A1 has your back. With 5 preset inflation modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls, and a customizable option, it's super easy for anyone to pick the right setting. Plus, it automatically shuts off when the preset pressure is reached. Safety is a top priority, and the FarReach A1 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with advanced safety technologies, including reverse charge protection, overcurrent protection, and short circuit protection, keeping you safe and sound. And when your devices need a quick charge, the FarReach A1 has you covered with USB-A and Type-C ports supporting fast charging up to 66W. Never let a flat tire or dead battery slow you down again. Hit the road with confidence. The FarReach A1 is here to keep you moving. Gear up, gamers! Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to endless hours of gaming with the revolutionary TGIF T0 ergonomic gaming chair, your ultimate partner in high-stakes gaming marathons. Developed alongside professional esports players, the TGIF T0 is more than just a chair. It's an ergonomic powerhouse designed to redefine comfort and fight fatigue during those extended gaming sessions. Introducing the cutting-edge dynamic seatback sync technology. This proprietary system ensures that the chair's seat back and base move synchronously with your body's movements, providing an adaptive and seamless sitting experience that's a game changer. Feel the support where it matters most. The TGF T0 features a contoured front lumbar support that cradles your lower back and a rear support that kicks in as you recline. Combined, they guarantee robust support whether you're sitting upright or leaning back in the heat of battle. Say goodbye to numbness with the chair's unique segmented seat design featuring dual softness cushioning. And for those who choose the TGF T0 Max, get ready for an added bonus, a gentle heat feature in the lumbar region to reduce discomfort and promote better blood circulation. Designed for everyone, the TGF T0 comes with a wider seat, deeper cushion, and a larger backrest, ensuring a luxurious and spacious feel that adapts to all body sizes and movements. Forget the sticky feel of traditional PU leather. The TGIF T0's highly breathable mesh material regulates temperature and keeps humidity at bay, keeping you cool and comfortable all day long. Plus, with a specially designed 58 degrees inclined base, enjoy a stable and comfortable footrest that enhances your overall gaming setup. Certified by BIFMA and SGS, the TGIF T0 doesn't just meet the highest standards, it sets them. The TGIF T0 ergonomic gaming chair, where comfort meets peak performance. Ready to elevate your game? The TGIF T0 is here to get you there. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.